Make $120 watching videos on YouTube.
There is a way to earn money even when you are sleeping. Surely there is a way to earn money while doing just anything, right? Of course there is. We are talking here about earning while doing the things you love doing, and that includes watching videos and movies. In this strategy that we will show you, you will get paid via PayPal on a regular basis, and that is just by doing what you love doing, that is watching videos and movies. This is how it works. There are what we call socializing websites where people exchange their thoughts into discussion about a specific YouTube video. Companies will then pay you for these kinds of interaction on these socializing platforms. But why would business spend a lot of money on these interactions? Simply when there is a lot of interaction going on about certain video, this means that the video holds a great content. And when more people learn about this content, the more likely they will be joining the interaction. Now, this might be confusing right now, but don't worry. We will walk you through each step on how you will earn money doing this method.
I'll teach you ways to help you make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Like this video and you can leave a comment below. Let's get back to the video.
AddMeFast.com is the first website we are going to use in this method. Signing up is easy. All you have to do is press try for free and enter your email address and password. After that, just click on I'm not a robot and sign up. Right after doing that, you will then be prompted to confirm your account through the email they sent you. All you have to do is click on the link they provided, and just like that, your account is now verified and registered. This is now what your homepage will look like. Instantly, once you've signed up, this site will give you 200 points instantly. This will give you a start on collecting points to earn money. You can also see here that there is a lot of interactivity going on. They have likes, shares, and followers on Facebook. They also have Instagram likes, TikTok likes, Twitter tweets, and so much more. But for this video, we will focus our interactivity on YouTube videos. To do this, just select YouTube videos and then you will be redirected to this page. You can see here that just by watching a video for 60 seconds, you will earn 16 points. You can then add that up to your initial 200 points. Although not all videos offer the same points, most of them are in this point range. So to start earning points, simply click View Video and the video will automatically appear. Although this video contains advertisements, you can simply skip them and continue watching your videos. But here's the best part. You actually don't need to watch the entire video while they are playing. You can go on about doing anything else while the videos are playing.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
You can go make yourself a snack, watch other things, and even sleep. When the video is done, all you need to do is just click the submit button and you will earn the corresponding points. You will then automatically see the points added to your current point balance. So you can continue doing this until you achieve 1,000 points. With the 200 points you already have when you sign up, you will only be needing an additional 800 points. And given the normal 20 points for every 50 seconds, you will need to watch about 36 videos to reach 800 points. And that is just in a matter of 30 minutes. Now, that is just part of the whole process on how you can make money with this method. So make sure to follow these next steps because the earning opportunity here is awesome, all while doing this in the comfort of your own home. The next website for this process is called PlayerUp.com. To sign up, just enter your email address and select Create Account Now. Once you have done that, it will redirect you to this page where you need to enter your name, password, and location. Afterwards, just click on the I'm not a robot box and click Sign Up. Now, since this is a forum website, simply click Return to Forum. Browse down below to the bottom part and then select here where it says All Other Games or Marketplaces. After doing so, you'll be redirected to this page. Next, look for the Facebook accounts and select Facebook likes. As you can see here, you can acquire 1,000 Facebook likes for just $9, and even a lot of people sell such. You can get 5,000 likes for $48 or 2,000 likes for $18. Some people sell for a lesser price, while others offer a much higher rate. But what you must look out for are some sellers who don't deliver what you actually paid for. That's because some of them are just bots. This is why we need to use the website AddMeFast, because you can guarantee that they are real people. To do this, all you must do is create your listing, then type in the title and process as most people do. You can basically just go back and click on a person's forum post and do exactly what they are doing. The best thing is you can do this for other topics as well. You just need to discover for yourself which is more profitable than the other. Going back to the title, you can write something like 200 Facebook likes for a topic. This could be someone's PlayerUp name. Under the URL, provide a link for their own Facebook page or post. For total clicks, you can set the number to 200. We will only need 200 clicks for this, and then you might want to do 50 daily clicks if you want to do this for 4 days. Cost per click is the most important part of this. This is the number of points we will award for every like. This is why earlier we suggested that we start with 1,000 points so you don't have to pay anything out of your own money. Depending how much you sell each like for one PlayerUp, whether it's $10, $25, or $60, you will eventually earn that much in a matter of 30 minutes. Looking at the rate of entry-level employees around the world, you will be earning more using this method. While many people still have their doubts about earning passively because they feel that it is a scam and it is not true, what's important is that when you decide to dive into this kind of side hustle, you find a legit and trustworthy method. And with this method we introduced, we can guarantee that you will earn passively, even more than what you earn in your job in a single day. So make sure to try for yourself this method and start earning passively to achieve the financial freedom you always wanted.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.